we took this trade and it was very, very, very clean. And I sent the signal already in my VIP Telegram channel. And it's very, very nice. How did I come up with such a good, nice trade? Let's get into it. Very, very simple. First and foremost is market structure. And you can clearly see that the market was moving up. Then later on, the price shifted to the downside, right? So if you mark out our external market structure, you're going to understand that this was a break of structure to the upside. This was a change of character to the downside. Then we go to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. And you can see this was our break of structure to the downside. Then this was our swing high on our internal market structure. Then if you look closely here, our order block is just here. You can see our order block is just here. Our bearish order block, right? Then the price came in, tapped in very well. We had a very nice reaction. But if you go on 1 minute, you see that we had that market structure shift, which was this one. This change of character, then change of character on the downside, then the price just went up, cleared this liquidity, and then it continued down, right? Then if you look closely here, you're going to understand that the price is respecting this order block, which is here, right? Then that's why we had our entries already inside just here. Our stop loss just above here, and our first take profit, which is this one, and our final take profit is here with a nice risk to reward ratio and a better risk management with a nice risk to reward with a clean trade. Let's just be patient and see how this trade plays out. So for GU, you can understand, you can see this, you can see this. And for Euro, already had this, but now we finally got our confirmation, and still I'm going to explain also this one. Let me clean everything. And for GBP, JPY, is still playing around, building liquidity here down. And for gold, I had my supply zone, which was here, my sell order block. So let's get to it. Let's go back to GU. And it's very, very simple. It's very, very, very simple. First and foremost is market structure. And our last break of structure, our last break of it was here, our first break of change of character to the downside. Then this is our last break of structure to the downside, right? And then our sub order, our order block is here. And then we have to wait for the price to come back and sweep our Asian highs before you get into any trade. That's my plan. My plan is very, very simple. I want to see the market sweeping these Asian highs, and I want to see the market, before me selling, I want to see the market also sweeping the previous day high, which is here, right? Let me mark it out, which is here. So I want to see price sweeping the Asian highs and the previous day high. Then I go to 1 minute, then I look for that market structure shift. Then I drop back to 5 minutes for my fair value gap for my entry. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2 for GU. I'll wait for the break of structure here. And I wait for the price to disrespect this order block. Then it will automatically become our buy breaker block. Then I wait for the break and retest. Then I look for buy confirmation from here. Then I continue buying it. Those are the 2 scenarios, and I'll be updating you about anything concerning GU, concerning EU, GJ, UJ. So we continue. Then for Euro USD, as I told you, the first thing you have to understand is market structure. Is the market moving up or the market is moving down? Is it in uptrend or downtrend? Both external structure and internal structure. Then you can understand that we had our break, which was here. Our first break, which was here. And then our second break, which was here. Break of structure to the downside. This was a change of character to the up to the downside. This was a break of structure. And also this was a break of structure. Then this was our last break of structure, external market structure, right? Then you have to drop down to 15 minutes for our internal market structure order flow, right? This was a break of structure. This was a change of character. And also this was a change of character. Then you had to go down to 5 minutes for that order block. That's a valid order block which is here. Then you had to drop down to 50 minutes, then 5 to 1 minute, then you got our change of character, which is here, and this is our final confirmation. Then my entry is going to be just here on that. I put my order limit here down, put my stop loss just here, 15 pips stop loss. Then I'll target the next swing high. I won't be targeting here. The reason is 2 things. The market is moving down, external structure, and internal structure is moving up. So I'm just trading that pullback. I'm not trading the full trend because external is moving down and internal is moving up. It's trying to retrace, to collect more liquidity, to collect more fuel, to drive the price to the next swing high or swing low, or to the next fair value gap. It will depend. Then another thing is gold. I already sent this market analysis for gold I sent it on Tuesday. And still you can see now external structure and internal structure, they are both in the downtrend because this was the last break of structure to the upside, external market structure. And you can see it. Then the price came back, tapped into this order block, then had a change of character, Then it had another change of character at the downside. Then it had a continuation change of break of structure at the downside. Then the price just came, tapped into this order block, then it came again. For today, what I'm expecting in gold is very, very simple. Before me trying or looking for sales, I want to see the price sweeping this liquidity up here. And that will be scenario number one. I want to see the price sweeping this. Then I'll go to 1 minute, then I'll wait for the market structure shift, then I'll sell. That will be scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if the price disrespect this order block, and it's very possible, then I'll wait for the break and retest, then I'll look for buys from this area, then I will continue buying, targeting this liquidity here, right? That's for gold. And GJ is not complicated, but you can see liquidity, a lot of liquidity below here. So anything before I buy, before I sell, I want to see that liquidity being taken out. That's my first concern. Then what am I planning? Let's analyze this together. This was our last break of structure to the upside. And you can see it. Break of structure. Then a change of character. Now we are into this area. Right? So we had our change of character. Then we had our break of structure to the downside. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Now we have a lot of liquidity which is building down here because this area is being tested multiple times. That means you have a lot of stop losses below here because this was our order block. Those who entered from here, their stop losses are here. Those who entered from here, their stop losses are actually here. Those who are selling, who are buying from here, their stop losses are here. That means this is a pool of liquidity. And for me, I can't be the some of those that are trying to buy from this area because there are like 95% chances that the market is going to come and clear this liquidity. I'm pretty sure about that. Chances, there are more chances. So my plan is just to wait to see what really happens. And if the market, it can also go above here. That's when I would start looking for buys. But for now, I'm just neutral. I have to be a little bit more patient. But if the market come, disrespect this, I'll just wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. Then for UJ is still playing out very well. I just need to be a little bit more patient and I see what really happens. Okay, that's it guys. Peace out. I'm going to be updating each and everything. This is a learning session, market analysis. I'm going to make another video for New York session market analysis. Okay, that's it guys.